Preview links are your most powerful sales tool because they allow you to send a fully functioning preview of the site mockup to your customer prior to purchasing the site. The preview links can be found in a few different places. This video will show you each place to find them. If you've already built a site and need to grab a preview link quickly, you can find them on the dashboard. First, you'll want to locate the site in question and click the More icon. That's the icon of 3 stacked horizontal lines. Clicking that icon will cause a menu to drop down. Select the Share option. The Share menu will display below the site information in the table. In the Share menu, click the pink chain link icon to display the URL for the link of that site. You can copy this link and email or text it to your customer so they can pull it up on their device and view the site mockup. Clicking the QR code icon will give you the option to save a QR code to your desktop for use on printable materials. This code will correspond to the URL of the live site once it's been published. This is a great tool for use on printed materials such as business cards or posters. The second place to create a preview link is inside the site editor. For a 2-to-1 site, you'll want to navigate to the Site Settings menu and then select the Site URL option. The preview link can be located under the Preview heading. Pulling up this link on a desktop will display previews for all 3 devices, side by side. You'll also have the option to look at the preview of one device at a time by selecting the specific device from the menu at the top of the screen. If you're using Insights, you'll also have the ability to select an insight from the drop-down menu to preview what your site would look like. In the Due to Mobile editor, you'll navigate to the Go Live section, which will default to the Publish section. Under the Preview Your Mobile Site heading, you'll find 2 links. One is a preview link that can be pulled up on a desktop site, which will cause the mobile site to display inside of a frame of a mobile phone. It can also be pulled up directly on a mobile phone, which will display how the site will look once it's live. The second link is a before and after link. This link is best pulled up on a desktop or a tablet. It will display 2 phone frames side by side. The frame on the left will display what the site looked like on a phone before mobilizing it, and the frame on the right will display a mobilized version of the site. You might notice a few places around the editor and dashboard where there are preview buttons. Please keep in mind that these buttons are for your own use, not for sales use. The previews displayed by those buttons are not white labeled, and if you send that URL to your customer for viewing, they'll end up being redirected to the Due to Login page. Only use the link specifically mentioned in this video for sales tools. In the next video, we'll go over users and permissions.